Hey guys, welcome back to Sense or Sense. My name's Evan, and I wanted to come to you today to talk about credit card rewards and whether or not they're taxable or not. Sign-up bonuses as well as rewards generally are not taxable in the eyes of the IRS as long as there's a return for your compensation. So what that means is if you're going out and you're spending on those cards to obtain the points, miles, or money that you get when it comes to those rewards, then you're generally not going to owe taxes. So even in the case of when you sign up for a credit card and they offer you something like 20,000 bonus points after spending $500, you have to spend something to obtain those 20,000 points. So therefore, it's considered to be non-taxable in the eyes of the IRS. There are some exceptions to rewards that are given by credit card companies that can be taxable. And those rewards are rewards that don't require you to do anything other than just to sign up. So let's say you go and you sign up, but there's no spending required to obtain a $50 credit in your account or something along those lines. Then that is an actual taxable event. It's considered to be taxable interest income, and it usually is reported on a 1099 miscellaneous form. However, here's the tricky part. If the credit card company doesn't pay you out at least $600 in a calendar year, they're not going to issue a 1099 miscellaneous usually. That doesn't mean that you're not responsible for the taxes on that $50 in our example. It just means that they're not going to send you something that directly to the IRS and report it directly to the IRS. You're still responsible as a taxpayer to pay on any money that you've received from anybody else for compensation. So there's been some discussion online that in the case that you receive something under the $600 threshold, that maybe you should call the credit card company and talk to them if it's related to like points or miles, because obviously the valuation of points and miles can be different for each credit card issuer, and it can be different based on the current values versus what they've been valued at in the past. So this can get a little tricky with regards to IRS and how you need to value them for reporting it to the IRS. Obviously, if you receive like $50 cash, then that should be fairly easy for you to report to the IRS. But I wanted to come to you today and just give you kind of an update on that, since I don't see a lot of discussion on this on YouTube or online. So the summary is pretty simple. If you have to do something such as spend to obtain points, whether it's points, miles, cash, any of those, if you have to spend to obtain those as a bonus, or if you have to spend to obtain the points just as a regular spending category. So for instance, 3 times at a restaurant, 3 points per dollar at a restaurant, those points are not taxable. And as long as you've done something in exchange for the value, then it's not considered to be taxable in the eyes of the IRS. It is considered to be taxable, and you have to watch out whether or not you get a 1099 miscellaneous if you are receiving compensation from a credit card company, but you're not doing anything in return. All you did is maybe sign up for the card, or you put some money into an account at a bank, or similar. I've seen those situations occur. So just be aware of those circumstances. I don't want you to be caught in something where the IRS audits you or sends some sort of documents to you asking after the fact. It's much easier to take care of it before the fact. So this is Sense or Sense. My name is Evan. If you found this information useful today, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all of you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.